So watch in the blackboard is element of cost. Actually costs are classified three different ways: element wise classification, function wise classification, and behavior wise classification. Here I have taken only element wise classification. See, according to the element wise classification, there are three types of cost. But there may be question, what are the elements of cost? Then your answer will be material, labor and expenses. Material, labor, expenses, these are the three elements of cost. And whatever you produce, these things will be there. Anything you produce, you will be finding three elements: materials, labor and expenses. Now material is of two types: direct material, indirect material. Labor is of two types: direct labor, indirect labor. Expenses is of two types: direct expense, indirect expenses. Material which is ultimately traceable in the product. Like, as I give always the example, for making your cloth, your dress, cloth was used and cloth is still available, traceable in your dress. Cloth is direct material. But some materials are used in the factory, like lubricating oil, diesel, etc. Those are used in the factory, but now it is not traceable in your dress. This is indirect material. You can find lots of such examples. Many examples you will find this way. Direct material, indirect material. And then expenses. Labor. You know what is labor? Labor is an element of cost. Now labor is also two types: direct labor, indirect labor. Let me give you one example. Suppose in bus the driver is the direct labor, because without driver bus will not move. Bus is the main person in the bus is driver. Is a labor, but is a direct labor. But the person who cleans the bus, the conductor, they are indirect labor. Or think of aeroplane, the pilot is the main person, pilot is the direct labor. And the air hostess or ground people in the airport, those who work, indirect labor. So you understood this? And expenses, again direct and indirect. These are all elements of cost. In expenses you will find some direct and some indirect. Suppose you are making a building, then engineer makes a drawing for you, engineer makes a design for you, and that design is used in the building, and this is traceable in the building. Looking at the building, you can understand these were the design. So it is traceable, and the money you pay to the engineer or architect, this is direct expenses. But maybe you will spend some other expenses you made for giving some refreshment or something which is not traceable in the building now. That is indirect expenses. Now one more thing I'll explain to you. Just switch off. As I have divided material in two parts: direct and indirect, labor, direct and indirect, and expenses, direct and indirect. Now after this classification, when you understood what is direct material, direct labor, direct expenses, and you understood what is indirect material, indirect labor, and indirect expenses, then you do one thing: you all directly put together. Another concept will coming to you, and this will be helping you, believe it will be helping you making cost sheet and any other practical things in future. It will be helping you. Just have the concept clear. Same formula is available everywhere. That's why I gave that formula. So direct material put here, direct labor, and direct for all this is direct. Is coming? Is it? Direct material, direct labor, and direct expenses. This is known as prime cost. Prime cost. Remember this? If you put all directs together, add it, these expenses, it will be prime cost. Is easy to understand? And you take indirect. Indirect, I have taken here. Indirect, I have taken here. Indirect, I have taken here. Indirect material, indirect labor, indirect expenses. If you total this, this is cost. This is called overhead. Overhead. So it's so easy to understand. These things are going to be your cost sheet, and many other practical problems will find this. There may be a question, what is overhead? You say overhead is the aggregate amount of indirect material, indirect labor, indirect expenses. You have defined. You no need to see book also. You have understood. You can write yourself. If anybody asks you what is prime cost, 1 mark question, 2 marks question, you just write from yourself. Prime cost is the aggregate of direct material, direct labor, indirect expenses. You have learned it here only from one chart everything is clear to you. Correct? So this way concepts will be clear. And I'll be giving more videos. Please watch the videos, like the videos, and subscribe also, because I share different types of videos in my channel, different types. So it will be directly going to you. Sometimes it may not be connected to your course, ignore it. Sometimes it may be some motivational, you can watch it. And sometimes it will be connected to your cost accounting. So directly you watch it. So thank you.